Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Venzon, and today we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us: allergies. It feels like every year, more and more people are dealing with sneezing, itchy eyes, and skin reactions. It's not just in your head. Studies show that the prevalence of allergic diseases has been on the rise for over 50 years, especially in industrialized countries. This has led a lot of people, maybe even you, to look for ways to manage these symptoms beyond just popping an antihistamine. People are increasingly interested in natural, holistic approaches to build up their body's own resistance and find some lasting relief. In this video, we're going to explore some actionable tips, drawing from both expert advice and time-tested traditional remedies that could help you build a stronger defense against common allergens. We'll be talking about everything from simple lifestyle adjustments in your home to specific natural cures that have been used for generations. The goal here is to empower you with knowledge so you can support your body's immune system in a more natural way. We're going to break down the science and the tradition behind these methods. But before we jump in, a very important disclaimer, and you know I'm serious about this. While these tips are based on well-regarded practices, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Your health situation is unique, so please always consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or are currently on medication. Let's make smart, informed decisions together. All right, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the air you breathe every single day inside your own home. We often worry about outdoor pollution, but the air inside our living spaces can be just as, if not more, concentrated with irritants. Think about it. We use a whole arsenal of cleaning products, from sprays to detergents, that release volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, into the air. Add to that dust, pet dander, and mold spores, and you've got a cocktail of potential allergens trapped within your four walls. It's a closed system, and without proper airflow, these inhaled toxins can build up over time, constantly challenging your immune system and potentially making your allergy symptoms worse. This is why one of the simplest yet most effective things you can do is to properly ventilate your home. I'm talking about making it a daily habit to open your windows for at least 15 to 20 minutes, even in colder months. This creates cross-ventilation, flushing out the stale, toxin-laden air and replacing it with fresh air from outside. It's especially crucial to do this right after a cleaning session. Instead of letting those chemical fumes linger and settle, air them out immediately. It's a foundational step in reducing your daily toxic load and giving your respiratory system a much-needed break from the constant assault of indoor pollutants. Now, let's discuss something that might surprise you: the connection between your weight and your allergies. Many people focus on weight loss or gain for aesthetic reasons or for managing conditions like heart disease and diabetes. But the speed at which your weight changes can have a significant impact on your body's overall toxic load. Our adipose tissue, or body fat, isn't just for energy storage. It also acts as a reservoir for certain types of toxins, specifically lipophilic or fat-soluble compounds that we're exposed to through our environment, food, and water. These can include pesticides and other industrial chemicals. When you lose weight very rapidly through extreme dieting or intense, unsustainable workout regimens, your body breaks down these fat stores for energy. As the fat cells shrink, the toxins that were safely locked away are released back into your bloodstream at a high concentration. This sudden surge of toxins can overwhelm your body's natural detoxification systems, like the liver and kidneys. This can trigger an inflammatory response, put stress on your immune system, and potentially exacerbate or even trigger allergic reactions. So, a steady, gradual approach to weight management is not just more sustainable, it's also much kinder to your immune system. Alright, let's move into the kitchen and talk about a powerful detoxifying food, cabbage. But here's the catch. The type of cabbage you choose really matters. When we're talking about using food for its therapeutic properties, we have to be specific. For detoxification and supporting your body's health, you want to look for field-grown white cabbage. These are typically smaller, denser, and have a more robust flavor. They've grown in natural soil, absorbing a wider range of nutrients and developing compounds that can aid our bodies in the cleansing process. It's about getting a vegetable that has had to be resilient itself. You want to actively avoid the very large, pale, and often watery heads of cabbage you might see. These are often cultured or greenhouse-grown, prioritized for size and rapid growth rather than nutritional density. They might look impressive, but they often lack the potent phytochemicals found in their field-grown counterparts. And a crucial step, no matter which you get, is to always wash it thoroughly. Cabbage grows in tight layers, which can trap soil, pesticides, and other contaminants. So, take the time to separate the leaves and rinse them well under running water before you use them in your detox-supporting meals, whether you're making coleslaw, soup, or fermenting it into sauerkraut. Let's turn up the heat and talk about a detoxification method that has been used for centuries across many cultures: sauna therapy. The basic principle is simple. By raising your body's core temperature, you induce heavy sweating. And sweat isn't just water and salt. It's one of your body's key pathways for eliminating waste. Studies have shown that sweat can excrete certain heavy metals and chemicals like BPA that can accumulate in the body. For this purpose, a traditional Finnish style sauna, heated to around 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit, is often recommended. This temperature is effective enough to induce a deep sweat without being excessively stressful for most healthy individuals. However, and this is a big however, sauna therapy is not for everyone. The intense heat puts a significant demand on your cardiovascular system. It increases your heart rate and affects your blood pressure. Therefore, it is absolutely essential to get a green light from your doctor before you start using a sauna regularly, especially if you have any history of heart conditions, blood pressure issues, or if you are pregnant. Medical consultation isn't just a suggestion here. It's a critical safety measure to ensure that you're helping your body, not harming it. Once you're cleared, you can start to incorporate this powerful detox tool into your wellness routine. Similar to the dry heat of a sauna, but with a unique twist, is the Turkish bath, or hammam. This is a multi-step ritual that involves moving through rooms of increasing temperature and humidity, culminating in a full-body wash and massage. The experience is centered around steam. The warm, humid air helps to open up your pores, soften your skin, and encourage sweating, which, as we discussed, is a primary way your body purges toxins. The high humidity also helps to soothe the respiratory tract, which can be particularly beneficial for people dealing with congestion and sinus issues related to allergies. For a focused detoxification protocol, a common recommendation is to visit a Turkish bath twice a week for a period of about a month. This regular exposure can help to systematically cleanse the body and support the lymphatic system. The ritual often includes being scrubbed with a special exfoliating mitt called a keze, which sloughs off dead skin cells and further stimulates circulation. This entire process is not just about physical cleansing. It's a deeply relaxing and meditative experience that helps to reduce stress. And since stress is a known trigger for allergy flare-ups, the benefits can be twofold. It's a holistic therapy for both body and mind. Now, when you're engaging in any activity that promotes detoxification, whether it's sauna, exercise, or a Turkish bath, you're losing a lot of fluid through sweat. It's absolutely critical to support your body during this process by staying properly hydrated. And I don't just mean drinking any water, I mean focusing on high-quality, mineral-rich water. When you sweat, you don't just lose water, you also lose essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Drinking mineral water or adding an electrolyte supplement to your filtered water helps to replenish these vital nutrients, keeping your body in balance and preventing dehydration. In addition to hydration, you can supercharge your detox efforts by supplementing with vitamin C. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, is a powerhouse antioxidant. It plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system and protecting your cells from the oxidative stress that can be generated during the detoxification process. It also helps regenerate other antioxidants in the body, like vitamin E. Taking a vitamin C supplement during detox therapies can provide your body with the extra support it needs to neutralize toxins and repair itself. Think of water and vitamin C as the essential support crew that makes the entire detoxification process safer and more effective. Finally, let's explore two powerful natural remedies that have been traditionally used to build resistance to allergies: carob and nettle tea. First, carob. You might know it as a chocolate substitute, but carob is packed with active substances that have anti-allergic and antihistamine properties. One traditional approach is the carob cure. You would boil broken carob pieces in water, let it cool, and drink this liquid regularly for a period of time. It's believed to help modulate the body's immune response, making it less reactive to allergens over time. It's a gentle, food-based approach to managing allergy symptoms from the inside out. Another incredible plant is stinging nettle. Yes, the one that stings you if you touch it. But when dried or cooked, its stinging properties are neutralized and it becomes a potent medicinal herb. Nettle tea is rich in compounds that can inhibit the body's production of histamine, the very chemical that causes the classic allergy symptoms of itching, sneezing, and swelling. A nettle tea cure, enjoyed for a few weeks, can be very effective for seasonal allergies. A very important note on these cures: do not use them at the same time. Choose one, complete the cure for a few weeks, then take a break before considering the other. This allows your body to process each remedy effectively. So, there you have it. 7 natural tips to help support your body and build resistance against allergies. We've covered a lot, from ventilating your home to specific detox therapies and herbal cures. My hope is that this gives you a starting point for exploring more holistic ways to manage your health. Remember, the goal of these natural methods is to support your body's innate ability to heal and maintain balance. They are meant to be complementary and supportive, and they are absolutely not a replacement for any prescribed medications or treatments your doctor has given you for your allergies. It's also incredibly important to be mindful of your own body's sensitivities. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it's right for everyone. Before you start brewing nettle tea or incorporating any new herb into your routine, please do a little research or a patch test to ensure you're not allergic to the remedy itself. It would be pretty ironic to have an allergic reaction to an allergy cure. This brings me back to my most important point. Your health journey is personal. Always consult with your doctor or a trusted healthcare professional before starting any new remedy or detox program. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of this community. I'm passionate about sharing this information, and I hope you found it valuable. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you tried any of these methods? Do you have your own natural allergy tips that have worked for you? Share your experiences and questions. Let's learn from each other. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on living a healthier life. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.